We made our debut on TikTok this year, and we're really glad we did. The social media platform has really taken off for our industry, and we would hate for you to miss out on a chance to get your business out there. TikTok doesn't have to be intimidating or complicated. So here are a few tips and tricks to help your brand get the engagement you want online. Use the trending sounds and hashtags that make the most sense for your business. Sure, these things can help push your videos out to a larger audience, but as long as you are posting what resonates with your followers, you should see positive results. Shorter videos perform the best, but longer story time style content is a great way to share insight into your approach or talk about a positive experience your clients have had with you. Typical video retention time is just 3 to 5 seconds. Grab your viewers' attention quickly and then dive into the topic. Now you're probably thinking, Rich, that sounds easy enough, but my business has me constantly on the go. We suggest that you consider filming and editing multiple videos at once, dedicating time each week to batch your content. This keeps you ahead of schedule and allows more flexibility to jump on the latest trends as they come up. And don't think you're doing all this work for just one platform. Cross-promote. Share your TikTok videos on Instagram, Facebook, or really everywhere and anywhere you're active. This gives one piece of content some serious reach. As they say in the biz, lights, camera, action. That's a wrap for today, but stay plugged in to future episodes for more social media marketing know-how straight from HomeSmart headquarters.